What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been waiting or wanting to launch your own FBA Amazon business, but feel stuck on finding the right product, you're in the right place. What if I told you AI? Yes, AI can help you find insanely profitable products in minutes. That's right, ideas jumping out at you in minutes. Today, we're breaking down how to use ChatGPT and a couple of smart tools to revolutionize your product research and set yourself up for success. So grab a notebook because this one is going to be a game changer. So let's jump right in. Now, before we dive into this strategy, let me address some common misconception, okay? First, is it too late to start an Amazon FBA business in 2025? No, it's not. Amazon is not oversaturated and the e-commerce pie is growing by the day. They're expanding into various different countries and over 300 million shoppers. Number two, do you need a ton of money to start? No, you just need a strategy and start with a plan. Exactly what I'm going to show you today. And the last thing, is this video about selling you a course? No, it's not. This is about giving you real actionable information. I've been where you are, starting out broke without fears, no money, but if I can do it, so can you. So let's talk about how AI is changing the game for product research and how you can leverage it to your advantage. So let's head over to Google and let's just go ahead and search ChatGPT and go ahead and just sign up and log into ChatGPT. I went ahead and I downloaded the app, and I prefer the app because it's more convenient and you can download it for Mac or PC. So on the app, you can totally use ChatGPT as your brainstorming buddy. It never runs out of ideas, and it can give you hundreds and hundreds of ideas in various different niches. And that's the reason why I love ChatGPT, because when you're worn out, you're tired, you come home from work and you don't want to do product research since you're building a side hustle, you jump to ChatGPT and it does the brain thinking for you, and that jumpstart your creativity. So let's just go ahead and let's say you want to do, let's start with are my expert. Let's establish what this AI is going to do for us. Okay. Product idea, unique. And there you go. In seconds, you have multiple ideas of various niches in the kitchen niche, subcategories in the kitchen niche. And now you didn't, like, how long does it take for you to come up with 100 ideas? Probably like an hour or more, or probably several hours. And GPT just gave you these ideas in like several seconds. And browse through these subcategory of the kitchen niche and see which one is interesting, something that pop out to you. And honestly, any of the ideas are pretty good. You just got to go further, deeper into the category. So let's see. Let's see what's something that jump out to us. Collapsible colander. What is this? Let's go with this one. But then I go even further. There you go. Give me 10 unique product idea for collapsible niches, in the collapsible niche. All right. You got, now we're breaking down to the specific subcategory. And this is where I find the most value, is because you can go further, deeper into each category. And these are the main keywords, right? The key keyword up here was collapsible colander. But maybe there's other type of collapsible things that are out there. Let's see. Collapsible blender. Oh, that's interesting. Collapsible drying rack. Collapsible silicone. Ooh, let's see. Collapsible silicone. Let's see, collapsible silicone niche. See what product we come up with. Vase, pet bowls. Look at that. We have mixing bowls. We have bakeware, storage bin. Let's just go with, okay, let's try this one, mixing bowls. Now we head over to Amazon.com. Now, when we're on Amazon.com, you copy and paste that silicone collapsible mixing bowl. And now here's where we're gonna start working on our product validation. Validating the ideas. Okay, this is where all the magic happen. Let's open up Helium 10, and I already have the Chrome extension. Make sure you guys are setting up your Chrome extension here to make it very easy. And this is how much information Helium 10 can give you. It gives you the seller information, how much sales they're doing, their BSR ranking. And let's check this out. Let's open up. Go ahead and open up X-ray product research. I like X-ray a lot. Okay, so the market size is around 1.8 million. For me, I look for market size that are small, especially in the niche when you're starting off. Let's say you're a new seller and you don't know how to launch your first product yet. I would go with a smaller market. If you go with a larger market, what happened is that the larger market going to be very competitive. Anything in the 5 million plus, 10 million, 20 million market share, where there's tons of sales volume from multiple sellers with high numbers of review, it's going to be hard for you to compete. So we want to keep it between 5 or below. So 1 to 5 is reasonable. Okay, let's go here. And as you can see, it's 1.8 million, so it's not too big. Okay, let's go look at the revenue. Let's click on the revenue. Look at this. This one is generating $1 million. That's insane, but I'll bet you the review is high. Oh, the review is not that high. Okay, wow. And of course we have to, do some analysis here. We have to get rid of a few things that aren't a fit. Like this is not a fit. This is not a fit. They're not mixing bowls. They're just stainless steel mixing. So you want to get rid of things that are not appropriate. Okay. So this product right here is a silicone collapsible bowl, and it generates $146,000. That's crazy, right? 1,300 reviews. Most of the reviews here, let's get rid of some of these other items. Your average review count is around 400 in this subcategory, in this niche. And of course we want to go in and check the reviews too, but this market seems feasible to me, just because the overall average review count is not that large and the number of sellers are pretty small. It's only about 196 sellers here. So if we decide to jump in, this could definitely be room for improvement. I'm not saying this is a good market, but overall there's some opportunities here to make major improvements. Let's invest. Then next you want to investigate the reviews. Let's see where there's a lot of negative reviews. Most of the reviews are pretty good, but there's always negative reviews that. Now this one is with lid. This is a different market, okay? So you want to look at these collapsible bowls. See this one higher. Let's look at the reviews. The one star to. Here you go. Large is not a large bowl as described. So maybe we jump in and just create a larger bowl. When they say large, we give them size and dimension of the large bowls. Right? This is not large enough. You definitely want to be a larger bowl. This is not a large bowl for them. So I would improve just based on that review. It's not large enough. The quality is not good. So this is a silicone bowl. So for me, I would make the base sturdier, because I'm guessing that is where most of the damages happen. So I would totally change the design a little bit. I would make the bottom more solid, like solid PET plastic, and then the rest be silicone. So top solid and the bottom solid. So there's two ways we can improve this product to make it more durable so that it lasts longer. And that's what people want, durability. So after we check the negative review and we find room for improvement, another process that you can use to improve the silicone bowl is you can go to ChatGPT, and in the prompt bar you type in give me 10 there you go, silicone collapsible mixing bowls. and automatically it pops up 10 different ways that you can create improvement into the silicone mixing bowls. You can add strainers to them, holes in the lid, pouring spout, color coding. You can add label, you can have integrated handle. So in an instant, pretty much, you create different various improvement. You can have stackable design, eco-friendly material. You can improve the seal, have some handle mechanism that give it some unique feature. Using this tool will help you improve the product so much faster. Improvement. We then go source the product. And so I would go to Alibaba.com. And let's just search collapsible silicone bowl. There we go. And look at that. Different sellers selling multiple collapsible bowls, and these bowls cost only 90 cents for a minimum order. Oh, let me go back. Here you go. 50 units is only less than $1. And of course, importing fees, everything else, the custom fee, the logistic fee, all of those little things, maybe the packaging fee, the logo fee, of course, going to make this maybe $1.50. But they are selling this at $15.99. So we're talking about like a 15x on the manufactured price. So this is definitely an opportunity for you here. Now let's make sure people actually want your improved product. For this, you can use tools like PickFu. And let me go ahead and show you over here. PickFu, go ahead and sign up. And here's how that works. You build a survey, you upload the images right here. You upload your image, whatever image you have, and you load up into here, into the survey. You ask the client, like, rank these color variant from your favorite to the least, or you can say, which color do you like? Say red versus blue. It's better if you have an image, of course. This is where you upload the image, and then you can choose how many people you want to send the sample size on. I would recommend the bigger the better, and then you can choose the country. So let's say if you're in Canada, you can choose Canadian, German, whatever, and you can set up targeted audience or random audience. And if you know your audience, like the gender, if this product is for men or for women, and if you have the age range, you can decide that. Or is it pet owners, Amazon Prime members only? And then you can ask questions about demographic. So for example, if your customers are people who buy product for their office a lot because they're office worker, then you can ask, like, do you have a corporate job? And this helps you identify your target audience, and they narrow it down so that your product then gets shown to the right people, so that you get the best, most accurate answer if this product makes sense. And then of course you send the polls out, and this is what it looks like. And then the people who are doing the survey will be able to choose A or B. And that's the value of PickFu. And this is further helping you validate your ideas. And the power of just combining both AI with smart validation tools like Helium 10, PickFu, ChatGPT. These tools will then help you further on investigating whether this product is right for you. Here's the thing. Watch this video is just the first step. Now it's time to take action. Spend an hour today using ChatGPT to generate product ideas. Validate them with Helium 10. If you're serious about building your Amazon FBA business, don't wait. Start now. The e-commerce world is changing fast, and tools like AI are giving you an edge. But if you don't start learning how to use it, the edge is going to be gone. So make sure you guys subscribe for more actionable strategies like this. And if you found this helpful, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your product ideas and journey. Let's make 2025 the year you take control of your future. You got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.